This is the ultimate tiramisu guide, the perfect summer no-bake dessert that is super delicious, light and fluffy. Just what you need on your table when the sun is shining. It's super easy to make. You want to start off with 5 eggs and separate the whites from the yolks. The traditional method uses the egg whites, but I prefer the whipped cream method, so I will be saving my egg whites to have for breakfast in the morning. To do that, you want to add in 1 cup of sugar, and then you'll place your bowl over another bowl of simmering water and use your hand mixer to blend the two together. You'll see that the egg yolks will start to cream together with the sugar and create a custard. Don't forget to scrape the sides of your bowl and give it another mix to ensure everything is mixing evenly. Do this until most of the sugar has dissolved. Remove it from the stove and allow it to cool completely before you add in your mascarpone cheese. You want to use a high quality of mascarpone cheese. I got mine from Co-op. It's so satisfying when you peel off the wrapper. I used around 500 grams of mascarpone cheese and blended that up using my hand mixer. It will change your life if you have a hand mixer, so definitely invest in one. I placed that in the fridge, and in the meantime I whipped up 300 milliliters of cold heavy cream, and then slowly, bit by bit, I mixed in the heavy cream into the mascarpone cheese mixture. The consistency of this was everything. It was so light and fluffy and airy, just what you need for a perfect tiramisu filling. And now it's time to dip in your sponge fingers into the cold coffee mixture. You want to dip in each finger for around 2 seconds into the coffee mixture and then remove it. I used around 3 packets of the sponge fingers and laid the tiramisu up. So you have your sponge fingers, the first layer of cream, then another layer of sponge fingers, and the final layer of cream. And then you want to set this in the fridge for a minimum of 6 hours, or preferably overnight. And once it's fully set, you can take it out and sprinkle a generous amount of cocoa powder. And that's literally it. Trust me, this recipe is foolproof. It is so easy, anyone can make it, and it's so delicious. If you serve this at any summer parties, trust me, everyone will be asking you for the recipe. It's that good. I had to take a bite. You can see the inside is so delicious and amazing. I made this for my family, and as you can see, it was demolished within seconds. It is that good, so make it and thank me later.